In this video, we'll walk you through how to integrate Google Tag Manager into EverWebinar so you can better track your webinar performance and optimize your marketing efforts. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll have everything set up and ready to go with Google Tag Manager and EverWebinar, including some tips that will make this integration smooth and easy. You won't want to miss it. Before we jump into it, just a heads up, you can try EverWebinar for free using the link in the description below, and you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses to help you get started right away. All right, let's dive in. First things first, why would you want to integrate Google Tag Manager with EverWebinar? Well, Google Tag Manager allows you to manage tracking codes and scripts without needing to modify the website's code directly, making it much easier to implement tracking for things like conversions, form submissions, or even webinar attendance. Next thing, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't have one set up already, it's super easy to create one. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new container. Give it a name that makes sense for your EverWebinar, like EverWebinar Tracking, so you can easily identify it later. The third thing you'll do is install the Google Tag Manager code onto your EverWebinar. To do that, go into your EverWebinar settings and find the place where you can add custom scripts. Once you're there, you'll paste the Google Tag Manager container code into the header and footer sections as prompted. Now, the next step is creating tags in Google Tag Manager. Tags are snippets of code that trigger certain actions, like firing Google Analytics when someone enters your webinar. You'll set up tags based on what you want to track, whether it's viewing the webinar, signing up, or clicking on a CTA button. For example, let's say you want to track when someone registers for your webinar. Create a tag in Google Tag Manager for that, and use the trigger settings to specify when the tag should fire, like on the registration page. Next, you'll want to test your tags to make sure everything's working. You can do this by using Google Tag Manager's preview mode. This lets you see in real time when tags fire and helps ensure that everything is set up properly. The fourth thing is, don't forget about triggers. Triggers are just as important as tags because they tell Google Tag Manager when to fire a tag. For example, you might set a trigger for when someone reaches a specific page after signing up or when they click on your confirmation button. Lastly, once your tags and triggers are set up and everything is working as expected, you'll publish your container. This makes your tracking live and ensures you start capturing all the data you need. And here's the bonus tip. If you want to track specific engagement during your webinars, you can use event tracking to monitor things like how many people watch a webinar to the end, or which segments of your webinar are most engaging. You can set up these custom events within Google Tag Manager and then track them in Google Analytics for more detailed insights into your webinar performance. To sum it up, integrating Google Tag Manager into EverWebinar allows you to easily manage and track your webinar data without getting too technical. Whether it's tracking registration, attendance, or engagement, this integration helps you make data-driven decisions for your business. And remember, you can get EverWebinar completely free through the first link below, along with exclusive bonuses to help you get started quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helps you streamline your webinar tracking and make your business even more successful.